Okay, question number 2. Which one of these is the net of a cuboid? Circle the correct letter. Okay, so a cuboid here is going to have 6 sides, and it's going to fit together without any gaps and without any overlaps. And hopefully at some stage you will have done the net of a cube. That's our most common one. So if we draw a cube, hopefully you know, the net of a cube is something like, this won't be perfect, something like this. Okay. Let's got 4 sides. How many sides does a cube have? A cube has 6 sides. So it's going to be something like that. And hopefully you can imagine it. If you fold this side up and fold this side round and this side round, that each of these will fold round itself so that there's no gaps at all, and it makes a nice cube. And you kind of, your imagination, having done this before, is very helpful here. So if we look at B, for instance, we can see that the cube, like a die or dice, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So there's no way that that would fold up to form a 6-sided shape. There's only 5. That would be like a box without a lid. So it's not that one. This one here, if you can imagine this folding up, if that one flipped over and that one was then facing down, it means this side would overlap with this side. Same with this one and this one, they would overlap. So that one cannot be a cuboid. This one down here, that looks fine, a bit of a similar pattern to this, except we've got these 2 squares next to each other, whereas here they're apart. And what that means is when you fold it up, again, that one would fold over onto this one instead of being like a lid on this end. So you would have a gap, and that would not fold up perfectly to form a cuboid with no spaces. So finally, so it's not that one, finally it should be this one. And if we look at this, this is basically, this is for a cube, this is for a cuboid, very similar to a cube, except it doesn't have to have 6 equal sides. And we can see here, this would just fold up, roll up, one end would close the box, one end would close the box, and it would just be a rectangular cube, like a long cardboard box. So that one there, D, is the correct answer for 1 mark.